Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. Today's video, we are going to put the Cyberquad for kids together. I know it's for kids, it's not an adult size, but my wife says I kind of act like a kid a lot. So I think I qualify. We're gonna put this together. We're gonna do it really quick, I promise you, and not bore you with that. And then we're gonna take it for a test drive. We're gonna run it next to another quad and see how that runs. And I think it's gonna be some fun. So let's go take a look and put this together. All right guys, it's the next day, we're back. We've got everything assembled. So I want to just go over a couple quick things on it. Assembly, instructions weren't great of course, and the engineers who put this stuff together take no consideration into the fact of the people that actually have to build them. There was a couple silly things. The one rear shock that's in the back right underneath the seat, you have to unscrew an existing bar that's in there. I believe it compresses it so that, or it'll fit for shipping. It's just for shipping and you throw the bar away. But it's very difficult to get into those spots. Wasn't a fan of that. Otherwise, everything went together fairly simple. It looks good. We've taken it for a couple of test drives. I've had the kids take it for a drive. I've taken it for a drive. As far as performance goes, yeah, it probably goes about 10 miles per hour. There's no front suspension on this. There's just one rear shock, but there's nothing up front. When you're driving this, it drives like a toy. So you got to keep that in mind. The wheels, when you turn them, and if you're on dirt, you can end up still going straight, which is kind of awkward. We'll probably see that in the video at some point. And it wasn't just with me, with my weight, because I'm overweight for this, but it happened with the kids also when they're driving and you give it some gas. The wheels are like this, but you're going that way. You're kind of like doing a crab walk. But not thrilled about that. But it's cool. It's got the Cybertruck design to it. It's got the light on the front. It's got another light on the back. The front one's cooler. There's a battery pack in the back of it, and we did charge it. You use this charger right here, a little mini Tesla wall charger. So that was kind of cool, the way they designed it to look like everything else. Now, when we got it, the battery was probably over a half to 3/4, somewhere in there. Doesn't give you an exact number. Charged it. It took a couple hours to finish charging up. So I don't know how long the whole battery pack takes to charge, but it's going to be several hours to do that, which is not great because you can take it out for whatever amount of time that it runs for. I think it was 45 minutes or something, and then it's going to be down for another 4 or 5 hours to charge. Could be longer. On the front, you do have a brake. On the back, see it's on. You've got forward and reverse. This is your gas pedals it's by the thumb moving forward, and there's 2 buttons on here for forward and reverse. That's pretty much all of it right there. Oh, that's not true. There's an on-off button in the butt right next to the battery, and there's another one that you can change the speed limit on it from 5 miles per hour to 10 miles per hour. That is the extent of it. I think the suspension was definitely a little bit lacking. I did drive through the yard. It got very, very bumpy, but you know, there was a lot of bumps in my yard. But the wheels didn't like to stay straight, and I think that's a lack of suspension. And they've got these covers that snap on. You can see them right here. It's a 2-piece cover. You screw the first one in with 3 screws, and then you snap in the other ones. And see over here, one of the pieces popped out already, and back here. And I haven't looked at this side. That side looks good, but so you got to look out for that. I guess those can pop out. So we're going to take it for a quick test spin after I show you the battery, of course. This is the battery, diesel size battery pack. This is the only place you can see this. This is the only place on the entire quad that has the Tesla symbol on it, which is a little weird to me. I think it should be all over it. It says flight speed on it. It's got 4 lights on it, so when you plug it in, they turn on. And then it's got some little print. Lithium-ion battery, 8 amp capacity, 36 volts. It's the standard voltage. The standard charge voltage is 42 volts at 2 amps. So that's that. And that just plugs right in the hiney hole. just like that. The other thing that is missing that should have been on here is a parking brake, because it rolls. Right now, well, yeah, it will roll, but something's caught on it. Oh yeah, I had the brake on. Okay, so it rolls, no parking brake. It's fun to drive, it's cute. It's weird though, because driving Teslas all the time now, when I take my finger off the throttle, I expect it to start slowing down, but it doesn't have regenerative braking. I don't know why they missed that. That should have been a cheap little feature to put on. But we're gonna go take it for a test drive now. We're also gonna compare it next to another quad so you can see the size difference. And then we'll take both of those around and you guys get to look at us maybe crash. Let's go do that. Okay, so we're back from our little test drives. I know this is a toy, so please don't give me any crap about that. But it's fun. It's a fun toy. This is also a toy, but this is a real expensive toy. So it was enjoyable. It's going to be enjoyable. The kids liked it. My daughter almost did a wheelie. She was very proud of herself. Maybe next time. Just very bumpy. It's really not going to do great on any type of trail like they showed in that one little video of it. I think if they're going to make any improvement, it's got to be front suspension. I'm sure you saw in the video where we're trying to turn and it's still going straight. Not great, but yes, I know it's a toy. So anyway, we got them both sitting here just for a size comparison. Maybe we can get a body kit to change this over, make this look like a Cybertruck. That'd be pretty cool. Or maybe they can make the full-size quad, because I will buy one of those. So one sale already right here. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.